Hey, it's Joanne from joannesmithmarketing.com, and today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how you can get your clients to use WooCommerce to buy a digital product such as a domain name or a website or a service that you're offering, marketing, SEO, and you don't want the WooCommerce product that you're adding to have a shipping. So because you're offering a service, there is no shipping. At the moment, there is no way for, well, I think you can go to WooCommerce and you can buy plugins to turn it off, but they're quite expensive. So I was just looking for a quick workaround. So if you go to my shopping cart here on the website, you can see it says shipping flat rate. So I don't want that. A disclaimer, if you're going to make any changes to your WooCommerce website, I suggest you back it up on your server before making these changes. So don't come running to me if something goes wrong. Back up the site first before you make any of these code changes and you should be okay. My server has a restore button, so you can go back 5 days, so they keep a copy of the site every single day. So if I'm making changes, then I can just go to my hosting, log into my hosting panel and click the restore button. Ask your server, do they have that? Another way of backing up your website is to use a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. The basic version is free, so if you're developing a website, before you add a whole heap of content, you can probably use the free version because they allow up to so many megabytes. If it gets any bigger than that and you have a lot of pages and images, then you have more data, then you can use the pro version. You can pay for it. But when you're starting out, you're setting up the website and you add your WooCommerce, that's when you do this, add this code. Okay, so let's go to the shopping cart. So you can see it still has shipping flat rate. So what I did was I went to Google, and you can do so too, and just type in how to remove shipping for WooCommerce. And very important to put stack. And the reason for that is you want to come to this website here. And it's called how to remove shipping from WooCommerce. And it has a little piece of code here, PHP code, that you add to the functions page. So the first thing we do is, let's go back to the website itself. Go to Appearance. Go to Theme Editor. And then on the right hand side, you can click on Functions PHP, because that's where we're adding the code. Now, another quick tip is before you add this code to the functions file, copy it, open a text box, go to Notepad and paste it in there. And that means if something goes wrong here, or you copied into the wrong place and something goes wrong, you can go back to the original code here. So let's go back over to the WordPress site here, and we'll copy everything down to the end. Now, see how I had 99? Well, make sure you go after 99 and get that semicolon. Go back to your themes, slide down to the bottom of the page, press enter, enter the code, and update the file. And it says file edited successfully. And let's go back to the cart. As we can see, the page says has flat rate. We want to remove that, remove the shipping altogether. We will reload the page, and it's gone. So that means you can start selling domain names that you bought. You can start selling services like website design. You can start selling services like web marketing, and you can get your clients to check out, go to your website, add it as a product. Let's go back to my home page here. I'll show you what I'm doing. I have a domains tab. They go to the domains page. I have one here for sale. You click on it. And it's computerantivirussoftware.com for $800, and you give a description of what it is and what they're getting for that price. And all they have to do then is, and I've added a gallery of images for the value from GoDaddy. I've added some stats, some Wayback Machine stats, and then they go add to cart. because they want to buy that domain name, and they can then remove the test one. It's $800, and they can check out and pay. Now, the reason why I like using WooCommerce is that it's a viable online store, and the clients feel happy paying with a WooCommerce and with PayPal. It's all in one place, and then when they pay, you get an email from your website to yourself saying, hey, somebody's bought this product, and they will get an email saying thank you for ordering this product. So it's a proper way of collating orders and all the orders you make. And if a client rings you up in 2-3 days down or a month's time, you can quickly go into your WooCommerce edit backend area, and you can check all in the WooCommerce customers area, and you can check out who they are, what their email address is, when they bought it, how much they paid for it. And that's why I love WooCommerce. I've used it on a lot of websites for clients, but usually it's a physical product that they have to sell, and you put in postage and cartage and they post it out. In this case, it's a digital product. It's for digital marketeers, and I come up with the idea of why not use WooCommerce to house everything in one place. Okay, well, thank you for watching this quick tutorial today on how to turn your WooCommerce website into a digital product based website. And don't forget to click subscribe below, ring the bell, and you'll catch up with more videos from myself at joannesmithmarketing.com. Okay, take care then. Bye bye.